There is a UFO flying in the upper right-hand corner. It's tiny and it's flashing. It's like a bright star flashing off and on. It's in the right-hand corner. And now it's moving midway down, but close to the right edge. It's going about 1/8 down the screen on the right edge. And now between 20 seconds and 27 seconds, it's still on the right edge. It's about 1/4 of the way down the screen on the right edge. And you should see it blinking off and on, hanging out along the right edge of the screen. Now, between 58 seconds to 1 minute and 13 seconds, it moves west to the left, just a little bit, not a lot. And you should see it blinking, moving towards the middle of the screen, but not that far towards the middle. Just a little bit west, because then it's going to go down really fast, still on the right-hand side. Right now, from 1:13 to about 2 minutes and 30 seconds, you should see it blinking on the right-hand side, but going towards the bottom of the right-hand side of the screen. And it's going to be blinking off and on. Okay, so right now, the UFO is in the right-hand corner. It's hanging out in the right-hand corner, the lower right-hand corner. And it's going to remain over there. It's about halfway down part of the screen, but it's in the right-hand corner. And from 2 minutes and 30 seconds to 4 minutes and 11 seconds, it's going to head to the far lower right-hand corner, like deeper, but not all the way down, but it's going to hang out over there. And again, this is a slow motion video, so that's why it's taking longer. But in the original video, it's flying really fast. And again, it's a little tiny dot in the sky that's blinking off and on, but you can see that it's moving. And airplanes don't move like that. Nothing on Earth moves like that. But there's two other ones that are gonna fly by really fast later on in the video at 4 minutes 40 seconds and 14 minutes and 40 seconds and 14 minutes 42 seconds. There's two UFOs that are gonna shoot down in the upper left-hand corner, the very top corner at an angle. They're gonna shoot from the top down at an angle, a sharp angle, so fast. They're going like 3,000 to 7,000 miles per hour in the original. This is slowed down as slow as possible in this video app that I'm using. So again, the UFO between 2 minutes and 30 seconds and 4 minutes and 11 seconds, it is in the lower right-hand corner, blinking and moving around. This is what angels look like in my videos, in my home. This is what angels look like when I look in the blue sky or in a foggy sky. Not at UFOs, just the angels. There's thousands, it looks like millions of angels when you look at the blue sky and just keep on looking at it. Don't look at the sun, look at the blue sky, and you will be able to see angels. With my black light, I can see angels also, especially if I reflect my black light off of a piece of white paper. You'll see the angels flying around on the white paper. And on the TV show Revolution, the angels are what take out all the electricity in the world, which is gamma radiation nanites. That's what the angels are. Okay, in this part, my finger's going to be in a way for a while, but the UFO is flying under my finger. I'm trying to find it and show it on camera, but it actually has flown under my finger, and now it's shooting up the middle of the screen, and it's going to stop in the middle of the screen more towards the right, and then it's going to move to the left. So I'm gonna point for a while. So I thought it was moving under my finger. Now it's moving under my finger. It has moved under my finger. It moved from the right over to the middle, and now it's under my finger, but I don't know. In the video, I don't know. And now it's going to shoot up towards the middle. And let me check my notes. We are at 5 minutes and 3 seconds. Until 6:02, it's going to be going towards the middle. Oh, my finger's still here. Okay, so it's under my finger still. I'm sorry, this is a slow motion video and it goes way longer than the original. But again, these are UFOs. I'm actually looking at a UFO military in this video, but I didn't know. But now that I've been able to slow it down, because on YouTube I can slow it down a little bit, but on this video director or power director video app, I can slow it down so much. I was seeing more UFOs. And the three, so you're looking at UFO number 1 right now, but at 2 minutes 59 seconds at the very top, in the very center, at the very top, UFO number 2 is going to blink really bright. And then UFO number 3 and UFO 4 are going to blink diagonally to UFO number 2's right. So UFO number 2 is going to blink very bright at 12:59. And then UFO number 3 and UFO number 4 are going to blink right after UFO number 2, diagonally to UFO number 2's right. They're going to be in the upper right hand corner, number 3 and number 2. But number 3 and number 4. Number 2 is going to blink directly in the center at the top. Number 3 and number 4 are going to blink to number 2's right, going towards the center corner, towards the right hand corner. And they're going to blink like this. Bing, bing, bing. But really fast. But this is in slow motion. So we're at 7 minutes now. Okay, so now the UFO is towards the middle of the screen and it's blinking. And at 7:24, it's going to get very active. Okay, now it's about to get active. It's moving away towards the middle of the screen, and it's going to go towards the left hand of the screen. From 7:24 to 8:33. It should be going towards the left-hand corner. At 8:33, it cuts down, going towards the bottom of the left-hand side. Okay. So right now, it's going towards the left-hand side of the screen. And again, it's a little tiny, shiny thing that's blinking off and on. At 8 minutes and 33 seconds, we're coming upon that. It's going to cut down towards the bottom left side, 3/4 down in the left hand corner area at 8 minutes 33 seconds. We're at 8 minutes 22 seconds. So it should be in the left hand corner, towards the middle and towards the bottom, being active. And now we're at 8:33, so you should see it moving down towards the bottom left side, 3/4 down from the top. So almost at the bottom, but not all the way. And it should be in the left corner area. And it's going to be in the left corner area from 8 minutes 33 seconds to 12 minutes and 13 seconds. So check it out in that area. It's according to my notes, it has cut down. It's cutting down towards the bottom left side, 3/4 down from the top in the left corner area. And then the exciting part starts at 12:13, because at 12:13 I says the action starts. A warp speed. It moves to the left edge, 3/4 down, and then starts to shoot up at an angle. But that's at 12 minutes 30 seconds. So I'm so happy I was able to see that I can increase the quality, the HD quality. I can increase the video from my Android in this app. I can increase it to full HD 1080. But I found that there's something better than that, some kind of 4X. But I've already seen better version of my video on YouTube, and it does look better. So now people will believe me, because I do not like people not believing me, and I finally got proof. But now I can do it in slow motion. So this is my second slow motion video today. The first one I uploaded was after I did a little freestyle, not a little freestyle, an 8-minute freestyle with blacklight and stuff, and I saw the angels come out of my kitchen. They came out of my kitchen and hit a left-hand cut and went down my hallway behind me while I was performing and singing and freestyling on video. I love doing music on the Sabbath that represents Unbegotten Father and King Yahusha and Unbegotten Mother and Queen Wisdom and the Ruach and HaKadosh and King Yahuwah. And this music in the background is my music that I write lyrics to. I leased the music from a producer. So it is my music to use, and I can use it on YouTube. I can use it on any platform I want, because I bought the rights to it, but other people can use it too. Check out beatstars.com, and if you're a poet or want to do poet and just freestyle over music or sing over music or rap over music, go to beatstars.com, create an account for free, and you can create a playlist, and you don't have to buy the songs right away, but you can freestyle to the playlist, and it will have the name of the artist or the name of producer throughout the song, so people can't steal the songs, because you can't steal them. You have to download them after you pay a fee. They're like $25 to $30 to lease the song. So, but you don't have to lease them right away. Just make your playlist and have fun on the Sabbath, writing lyrics, and you can buy a little tape recorder or something and freestyle and play around writing lyrics on the Sabbath about walking in the light and how you don't want to live in the darkness. You want to live in a new earth where it's not all chaos and wickedness and lust and immoralness and people not caring about being clean. People not caring about other people's feelings. People not caring about being forgiving. All right, so these UFOs are part of that. So we're at 2 minutes 12:13. So the action has started. It's shooting up from the right, from the left-hand edge. It's shooting up really fast at warp speed. It's shooting up really fast from the left-hand edge up towards the middle, but then it's going to cut back towards the upper left-hand corner. Now, we're coming upon 12:59. We're coming upon 12:59. Focus on the middle of the screen. At 12:59, there's going to be a bright, shining UFO. It's just going to go bing really fast at 12:59. Then to its right, in the upper, right now, boom, bing, bing. You should have saw two bright UFOs in the upper right-hand corner from the middle. Rewind it and see it. Rewind it back to 12:59 and look for UFO number 2, UFO number 3, and UFO number 4, okay? From 12:59 to, so the main UFO is in the left-hand corner right now, upper left-hand corner. It's hanging out in upper left-hand corner, blinking off and on. And the super fast UFOs, they're coming. They're coming at 14:20. No, not at 14:20. At 14:20, the main UFO that's in the upper left-hand corner, it's going to start going back down towards the left edge at an angle. And then at 14:40 and 14:42, the two super fast UFOs fly by. Yes, proving that these are not airplanes, because these things fly by so fast, and they fly just as fast as the angel that's on my video today and the other angels in my other videos. I have 2 videos with angels in my house, and I have 1 video with angel UFOs in the sky. But they're part of the 7 seals. They are reapers. They're part of King Yahusha's 7 seals from Revelation. So we're at 14:28, at 14:40 and 14:42. In the upper left-hand corner, start looking in the upper left-hand corner at an angle. You're getting ready to see 2 UFOs fly by right now. 1, 2. Rewind it. You should have seen 2 UFOs in the upper left-hand corners fly by really fast in the upper left-hand corner at an angle. at 1440 and 1442. I hope you enjoyed the video and walk in the light. And check out my videos. Walking in the light means follow the perfect Savior's information in the book of Matthew. All you got to do is follow that and do the weekly Sabbath. Be kind to people. Forgive them. You don't have to hang out with them. All right. Rewind the video and check out the timings that I gave you so that you can see this video and know the Bible prophecies are real. COVID-19 is the plague from the first seal. It's going to get worse. It's gamma radiation. The angels in my house are gamma radiation angels from the Ruach. They're part of the team of the heavens of the light of the universe. They don't have to be super big. That's why the superhero Ant-Man is so tiny but powerful. Imagine 1 billion of them, because there's 7 billion people on this earth. So there's billions of angels. But when they're tiny like this, they're like powerful ants, powerful bees, but more powerful than any demon. So they can come together, just like in the TV show Revolution. They come together and knock out all the power. But the power comes from gamma radiation. And they're called nanites. The only thing that can kill a nanite in true science is gamma radiation. But it's part of gamma radiation, so it won't kill itself. It will kill things that it sees as unclean. Demons. But actually, the light of the universe does not wipe out anything. Satan and his demon brothers are going to wipe out all of their children. And then we, the light of the universe, are going to party on this earth for 1,000 years while the demons are punishing all of its unclean children who are humans who didn't seek the light. And then after 1,000 years, Satan's coming out of the abyss and he's going to tempt the few billions of people that are on earth during the 1,000 years to attack King Yahusha's party city. And then King Yahusha is going to toss all of them into the lake of fire, resurrect the last people out of hell who have clean souls but were protected in hell. And then we have access to King Yahusha's new earth and the multiverse through the new heavens, where there will be over 144,000 planets and over 1.4 billion cities to travel to every year, which will take over 2 billion years. So living forever will not be boring. Living forever will be amazing. Traveling for year after year to 1.4 billion unique cities. None of them will be alike. Hallelujah. Join King Yahusha and Unbegotten Father in 2021.